The Sitting Male Nude with a Book was created in 1938 as a study for a fresco illustration of the dome of the Church of the Most Holy Redeemer in Otavice. 4 patterns were later installed in the dome. The powerful musculature and the sculpturally shaped body show the strong influence of Michelangelo. Though carried out in chalk, the sketch gives the impression of a painting. It is only the contour line that is clear white, while the muscles are shaded in tones which achieve the abundance of Baroque painting. As a consequence, the body is expressly voluminous, and the gradation from the light to the completely dark gives the body plastic features. The head is missing from the nude figure, though there is a beard indicated that suggests a possible posture. This concentrates the viewer's attention on the physiognomy. Though the figure is represented in the sitting position, the body is not relaxed. The right hand leans upon the stair, and the finger points to the book. The legs are crossed and the back stooping. In the process, all muscles have been activated, and the passiveness is exchanged for potential motion. The centre of the figure's balance is placed exactly on the buttock, which acts as a lever for the upper and lower part of the body. Such unstable balance makes the whole representation dynamic.